Abisa for mama kwa ba da mwase papa pase ya mote azie na mushe ye chi na mushe ye kutu paboa yesa nti medase wa ibra nyamishira quick one mame enka sensa minua kusiamboda o ye Cecilia o enam si Felicia we nyina ya asem we okoro man ka Cecilia enti Cecilia boy ma akusiamboda eno no ena enranso na me baby edi na woda enti ye mame ya ampoma happy birthday belated one of course to you onyame enhiraw onye wakoma so ade ma na oma woni ye wate asefo asasi so efri me ene onko ho se me ka onko no ho. Good morning to you na Asoma Hine Junior ya owo Labianca Coastal ewo Temahaba nyame enhiraw pana na ya pochomo pona from I nimda ye wonko mo bi enyenzi from ne yenzi. Ghana Education Service say yen kantre mo se awofo amomanyanya school no se manhwe na manhwe anya adekye fie de ya 30th November na placement esi 30th November no placement esi ena ne ya wada 5th December ekono so enrollment bia ankoso akwada bia nya kwa nkonto asozuku mu enti efi ene ya de ekono e wo se wo hwe hu se wo ba no wonya suku a wonya suku meka SHS for no wonya suku a wonya suku efise enta ensi 30th November no na wo ma wie placement na se memende ye ebe na placement no wo ma wie bibia e na wo so a wako suku mu a bia wonya challenges no anansa unyamfa obane nko wakwaji prospectus wo da fie watwi wani ene wo bekọ chena bekọ me boaboa me ho no ye na hwe na akwada ne nko efise efri ya wada 5th December ekono wankwa wonya kwanko school no na eno so enrollment no esinti de ede to manim no no awofo ne hwefo ne mpanifo nyina se moma moni enam ho so na muni sa hwehwe eso esi ano Dr. Kwabena Bempatando Deputy Director General ena ne sasha se no no akro na so se ye mama ne yese enkwada wono twa BC nso hwe afidie no 2019 a omomode mo no answer ne ani ti wanya placement no yensa ma wo mo nko school enkwotro se wasikura remedial so enti BC no na enu ni remedial no say netie wo se akwada no san ko JHS3 unu se no private nim enti wo se akwada no o san ko JHS3 said ye be ya 2020 wonu ye registration na obetimi a register akwada no na afi akwada no actual social no biem 2020 de no enti akwada wocho BC afi emu ya ni modern mo no ankon kan said ye ebema netimi anya ento asosuku akọ enu nti wantumi ankon to asosuku no ye ba mo chew akwada no omonye enka echi so ntumi nko school no eye ne dia obetimi akobi awofo bi on mo say enim kwada na o say media nye school is not meant for me, school is meant for you obi anu aye wo no na nwoma hye ne tim ye nyina sua na yesua nti san kona kosua said ye be ya 2020 o say enka che school benifo headmasters ne headmistress say Ghana ban afaka no ti akwada ne ba mo admit no readmission mo nye menye no na kofie kofa sika we bra ko we bia aban school for yenke no kan say public schools enti school na akwada no no urban council MA LA ene safo no se wo ba pa ene Roman school Methodist school Presbyterian school no aban no wo nyina partnership say ye kan aban school enti sa akwada no no ba school wa ba o se mpacho BC men champan results ni ni o se barrier admission Ghana Education Service say monhwe na monya akwada no won to ana disua so enti for you eno no yeda mo se ayen kane ya there be school asem na monhwe na monye nkwada no sukumu na bibia enye kama we so ye Dr. Bempatando na Deputy Director General ena nisa eshesa enkaboyi ase ma Lydia Jekumi hene owo menhia government hospital happy birthday wone wo ba na ene ye ma woda nti efra Jekumi hene family ena eja kwabena ho omam happy birthday ensembe na no pay da ba manso a ye adwendwe ho police force say
before you does it mean that for the past 3 years BEC for one I'm passing one receipt here now?
I don't know about
because
that
I know
one.
say since the NDC time, you know, that opportunity, no.
I was almost call for readmission.
That's right. Rewrite it. Register woman.
Okay.
No, rewrite it. But if you know that woman yes at the end of the year, nah, too bad. I'm
sure they do. Say anything or say 2019 for no more man passing. This one is specifically for 2019. So unsuccessful students or candidates who were unsuccessful at the 2019 BCE and could therefore not be placed in senior high schools are to be readmitted to JHS3 to enable them to rewrite the BCE in 2020. This offer is part of government's commitment to improve access and quality in secondary education in Ghana, and it's available to those in public schools.
Yeah.
And see, it means that they have been doing.
Yeah, they have been doing it.
But some man kai will be a no.
Certainly. But the MPS say be a war that into say.
Okay.
Womu remind you
kai omo. And some can say bibi new. I should have known. This one took me by surprise. Why didn't I get where you were coming from? Okay. And he said your Maya no be mfie miensa abese ko no.
I don't know whether the
government is continue into your more chaso. Mo de Maya pa mo chom de mo ko school ni Maya de ni yan. Abanya ba be ya ban beto aso aye. De da ni say your man be ko school. Ye da ase honorable. So and then some aye dwen ho no enie. Ye pese enkrofon so tumi bie nwuma eme enya biye aban ba e wodi bibia ba se wo ma enkrofo afiti nwuma as entrepreneurs ebinum ye mo startup capitals ebinum ye tete wo mo nti ene ye say nipa be ye 700 ahenson emebuno ene ya mo 6 million Ghana cedis ya wonum ede ekwa akohye wan kasa wadwuma ase na we nyina na hye presidential business support program we any de tosumi no window 2 no no enti ene bebusa say window 1 no call say so mo masika ni we say ya they follow up do they do monitoring omo hu say enkrofo aye di kan de ma omo no results ba na ya to aso sa ana na afei NUTAG no yet Nigerian Traders Association yomo Ghana ha afei di omo ani abrese aban emremu na wokun na gutafo ne womo kono womo bonyuso omani nye ho asem bie no ade akumatwam anu ye di nchini di makoya asene tekyerema ene ye de ka enti aban emehwe na wonka ene ye sa asempa de gutafo hwehwe no aban so mfa kogu omani mu do 1 2 3 so that asumdwe beba ana enye easy said ye mete ha meka noe then enen krata ne de pae pa e de airporten ena sa soft tribe adwuma kuo no database ya wonum de ye adwuma wo kenkan krata ne bia eye entiase a wonum ne Ghana waterfo akobibia ye kama eche ye si ye twa contract nim entina ama afedi omo ye tintintinti na national security ekoho ebi nso si o omo kura omo fa data ne nye de esese omo de ye what is the issue and I say a business gone bad ana wo mo na ama contract yesi ani munye bi na ye mo na mama contractor that easy why involve national security se mun kona mkoji database imre ye no so da chen be wi ase na manfo be bisa na de na mo de national security na koye na no so akoye nkomo bebre ye de na wo soft tribe adwuma ko no ene Ghana waterfo ensem no emu na afi post say wo ma 15,000 men na o matu apitin Ghana nyina enti se why wadwen se obedi nsemone okwa akwatwe obi sika ukodi obi bone bronya brei mu a police wa chede ma wo enti operation Father Christmas ya wonum de urban ya de bia afi bia wonum eye afi de ne beye sununko ewo afi bia de no emu we ne nsem wa no pay ye ba ba dwendwen ho honorable Ebenezer okritete labi MP Lower Menya Krobo and Kamal Dean Abdullah, a Deputy National Communications Director, Emma NPP Amanyukono. Miranum Mama Chimi Mama Kwaba. Bibia Boko die. Anope damase pa agrone for me pese me se ono abadaroma obeja Kamal obetina hejano but sa business startup capital ya de Emma under presidential business support nti me pese Kama becheche mu se first one how did they go omoye monitoring saying na yetimi ehu se second one nso wombe ye ni saying pacho mame na creative line ase and then me kaftan nefa or my shades of blue, corporate color blue, and I'm shaying I'm so many designing so ye kama enti yeah a man memeng na creative line pam ne sa no bo hwe me kra me die said ya da me ho ti me ma ne die chai pachoko creative line why na pam kaftan and show said the machine we kwade che say kaftan for all occasions any day anytime obetimi aye ono se wenya capital fi baby akra wa capitalizing ho enti wo so tobi Ghana de shene fefefe ani kanika kona confidence in mra na fafa krom kai say creative line or North Kaneshi na or Swan Lake Junction oni Obilex restaurant no ene di enimhwe wo betimi afre no e wo 0244 695057 0244 695057 and 0264414945 creative line no. Yes, come on.
Yes, yeah, good morning once again.
Good morning, bra.
Honorable, good morning.
Morning.
Na it's here for so much mo papa and here for. Yeah. Honorable Shasi FFF o kan about BC na o three adwena ko.
BC readmission.
Readmission. Enye first time yenya say yebo awofo kokko say omo mankwala na say bi omo ntima pass no. Omon san konkotna na omonye reset bi enko introbium. Of course, menene ya adwen no say the past government also had cause. I mean, remember when Okujeto Blackwell had to issue a statement on it also.
Yeah.
So it's a continuity. But it doesn't take away the fact say the managers of GS today should remind, if you like, children and almost 7.1 person. So it goes on.
Maybe he was hoping
yes,
to hear the system, and I said, "Yeah, no, as it is the norm for some time now."
Very well. So, Papa na waboni dino, Dr. Tando,
okay.
It's a very solid man.
Okay.
I mean, if all public sector workers receive people like that, obviously, will not be people to complain a lot. I mean, you go to his office, he deals with all manner of people, and the way he talks to everybody, I mean, it's quite soothing. And
okay.
Yamishan Papa, on any director general, Prof. Great.
So when you say Prof, when you work, yeah, you might be information Prof on a day. Oh, me a short of a
communication director called.
Oh, and then we had diabolic.
No, doesn't matter. Was he Prof and his workers? Any mommy be Auntie Felicia works in the office. I mean, they are very solid people, and his deputies. I must confess, everybody. I've gone to observe the process. Man, shut down, call send me a kiss. I just wanted to observe the process because not complaints that being maybe
they know your face,
and of course, and the way they were working. But yeah, me this, you know, presidential business support program, yeah. Wabosui. Mekai say Omampinin Kufo eto abamano 2000. Bedru baby no say yen register e mebuno mo Ghana nyina mo nidjuma. Na Ghana font ya say employing unemployed youth from mo Ghana nyina ibetimi. Registration edge data. Say now our botae our reason for doing that.
Okay.
And again I tell you again MPP 10 bia ba. Ye pese be boa se be ya Ghana betime tumpon. Se be ya mebunu will not be short change. As a result of SAR registration, Oshaya the National Youth Employment Program ebaye. And now it means concern for the youth. Yaba 2008 ebe amemu ema honorable Taylor Bimo NDC. I can remember direct intervention of this nature. I be mitigated the suffering of the youth in the business sector by them. Maybe he will have to help us.
Because maybe
maybe he will help us.
Yes.
A horseman shoes.
Oh, is that's direct intervention? I'm talking about holistic youth masses support because 80% of the businesses in this country belongs to the smaller businesses.
Okay, so that's the way say the ma omo obi anya sen e dey important no mo dey ye dey any dey actually
me build the foundation no to tell Ghanaians the kind of people who love Ghana and the kind of policies I get they bar, social intervention policies are
who love Ghana, so who
of
hates
course the
Ghana?
party. Nobody hates Ghana, but I'm talking about good policies that gets Ghana developing, that gets Ghana working. Reason why we can never vote for NDC again. I'm building this foundation. And
but you're not doing campaign.
No, it's not campaign. But it's
by the way you are sounding, that's a whole year campaign. Reasons why you cannot vote for NDC again. We are asking, Aban out to an amount way, and I'm only saying the city check.
Yeah. With the greatest of respect, I'm just building it, and you get to understand me. If you don't go to vote for someone to manage your campaign, your country, obviously you won't get someone to do it. Let me catch you, baby. You free any the way I Ejuma Ashaya so say we'll make sure as a party in government everyone benefits from it. Now fast forward to where we are today. Business Development Ministry yedi buy. Say ya anom nenam. And the ministers in the Dawson Business Development Ministry cry yedi. Dr. Awal and pay metro pa baby will be a minister for
business development. Awal.
Dr. Awal.
I will say yeah Awal Muhammad
Dr. Awal is Awal.
Awal. Thank you.
Dr. Awal and pay metro. On the Juma for any John Kumamone or Momokaka.
Okay.
And a business minister, you see, the man with the vision is propelling the vision. Allow him to propel it to help Mother Ghana. And there are over 600 youth in the north, Savannah region, northern region, northeast region, upper east region, upper west region. 5 regions are beneficiaries of this support program. And as a result, over 6 million Ghana cedi has been disbursed to them. Some of them have gotten 30,000, some have gotten 20,000, some have gotten 50,000, depending on the local job. And see, it is tailored towards, say, what register? What register? What are you doing to help the economy? As Abia may bag local rice to sell. Abia may work into cobblership. Abia may work into this. Domestic business activities are. Abaino ashada who say here support hono. Now, may I mean for the northern part of Ghana. In fact, I was part of the program. May I say to even have 1,000 Ghana cedis or 2,000 Ghana as a capital in the north, very difficult. Okay. And for Abaino to identify you and get you close to 30,000, 20,000, this is a very serious and a laudable gesture. Let me say, out of the 600 people, develop business. Do you know how many people who are going to benefit? They are going to employ. So indirectly, over thousands of people are going to be, if you like, employed because of this intervention. And that is why the visionary, when he comes, let's watch the person and get the person to work. Again,
why not qualify was san shishaye we mo? Ejuma ben sa na omode say ejuma predominant area ho and ye beshe so the amount process na say china bi so babunu bi so te baby a na nka watie mu
no good question. Very good question. Very good question. Yeah, only meaning say we want to empower corner of in other places you've gone to do your work and all that. No, I know you have been traveling. I've been following you anyway. Northern part of Ghana. Okay. Smoke with a friend saying, young cloth na area smoke no. We've no ekoso. Omo palm smokes ekoso. And pabwa ye the leather works ekoso. Other leather works in so farming ekoso. Processing of, if you like, raw materials from farming and then to get it or food processing ekoso. A whole lot of domestic activities and of course restaurants, food complexes ekoso and other things. These are activities that even though they are smaller, but they are what grows the economy as it were. Into what business why they qualify? First, the requirement is that you have a registered company. The second requirement is that what is the objective of the company? And an object out that also jumabe na woye. Company no a jumabe na eguso. Then you say. Then third, you will tell the location of the business. Okay. Program you support the air tamale. And te bedu tamalia o location e tamale. Ebia o location e Nanton. Ebia Goshegu. Ebia o location e Yendi. And ebia o Bolga Zoko. War into guinea fowls, whatever. A whole lot of issues. So they will take this data, build on it, and then say, these are, you analyze it, we munina a benefit because they are smaller businesses.
Sano, Obechocrata community in ho. And I say, obey them, say they bear. Because I'm sure, say, Emabunu, they are more than 600.
I'm sure they, before even they checks the mom and run, it's a process I ran here. First, there was this education to let them understand, say, sa support you at the honoma every omanpenyi nana adodanka kufa do honoma or the smaller businesses to expand the economy and to expand their activities. Until yes, na applications are called. When these applications are called, obviously they will look through to make sure, say, these are people who meet the requirement. Then based on that, the money is made available through the business ministry and the disbursement is done just as what we saw yesterday done by Dr.
Thank you. So, how do we do the follow-up? Honorable Taylor, be a kwaba bim. Usha san shishay we are. Ujidi said that chimbia, you benya and mebunwa. Or one cassa be or more, you and yes, or co square your organization, them if may try and buy some by Bema Major.
Yeah, me that's it. Na mechia. Miniam. Na unim yeah na you know bibia me ka say Ghana hanumu yeah wo baby I wanna know we are where we are now because say minu ka say nyina painting picture bit say again we some innovation bia yenti bida e be mad
is it not
trying to justify the reason why we have 123 ministers today.
Nenye bibi afeni ati se presidential capital for young entrepreneurs.
Only different yes. Okay, say yes na bibi on youth enterprises.
But say more time you say was yes no say yes why right?
Yes is there apart from this one.
Apart from this one. So this one is new.
You see no, look, total duplication.
Oh, I see.
And waste of resources. Not to the people that being given the money, but you know the bureaucracy now we're creating. They just want to justify why we have a minister for business development. That entity now we're creating, they just want to justify it because they have to. And a budget, budget, Ken Ediba Parliament.
Okay.
Now, okay, budget now you proper analysis. Devoid of, wearing political sheets near there. Who say? The air can say, you waste money on a lot of, some ministries are buyer creating. Now we are justified. And budget outlook for some of the ministries, we want 2 lines, 3 lines, 3 paragraphs, 2 paragraphs, nothing. There's nothing. They are just they are not doing anything.
Okay.
And there's nothing to report on. Until they say, youth enterprise. Now, I've forgotten the John Kuma Honmuna, my friend says, NEP. What about, changing the money, deal for. Again, the target is the youth. Woman will be here. Woman strengths and ejuma, woman ideas. I want to entrepreneur, skills near day. Empower woman. Why create a whole ministry again? Another bureaucracy. And then you can say, time and years we advertise it. They advertise. They call for people. We what say business development say advertising business one. I didn't see it. I never saw it.
Area
no, media.
But you should know on websites or my and because I'm not an entrepreneur, I'm
not necessarily
taking notice of that.
So utiha na bibi koso every morning me say me tell say kind news near there. Na you do not be brief so. That's a way also unim ho hwia. Then there's something wrong with it. I'm happy so because say we here then almost selecting microphone. Obatini aboabo microphone no say president be ma musika 120, 300, whatever. Then process.
But what's your process? So maybe
and I make her say, me maintain. So they make her say, me I'm entrepreneur. Maintain me.
You are not a youth entrepreneur.
No, what I'm saying is that you see the fact that I am also, an entrepreneur means that anything that costs many DH because you look for opportunities.
Okay.
So they make her say, and if this way no me who, there's something wrong. What media? You should be trumpeting this. The other one is the back, front page. How it was done, no? Only, come on in microphone no money. Be as it may. The Americans say this is not new. Now, the only is to justify the Bola, what do you call it? Ministries now, the elephant size ministry, just to justify it. And Americans say, say, we want to, improve the lot of the youth. Now, I don't have a problem if individuals are identified near the but it should not be done in secrecy. Let's open up.
What makes you think so much in secret?
No, because this is the best
applications. No,
let me say NDC time. No, yes, no. When we publish here, we had,
Okay, so I have an information.
Yes.
They are applied. They applied through online. NEP. Lawyer John Kumahon. Online portal.
Beautiful. And what is the difference between John Kumahon and business development?
But business development is a ministry. Also, business development is a ministry. It's in NEP.
It's an agency under the.
No, but I see. Okay, no, Theo. So, whose baby is? What we are talking about now.
Whose baby says? Sir, ministry or agencies, ne departments, in this instance, NEP agency.
So the ministry,
or shall say ministry, or shall ministry nas. And say NEP baby cry or ministry no na esha soma or yene juma.
Yeah.
Mira.
You see, there's no way you can justify. Yeah.
Yes. I'm not justifying. But tell you, we say no. This information I'm
a friend say Fanta bottom. Untimi fa osuno osuno o say Fanta bottom. I'm going to say the enye no na enye. You cannot justify it. We have ministry. Look, yes. Ni year ni we no they were under ministry of
but omunyina obia want focus and then the target.
The year can say there is duplication, waste of resources and the cost.
How so?
Look, today, for instance.
Nepo target enko.
I just want to tell you the general.
Yes, for no. And so, what your motion?
You see, because of such duplication, and the fact that you're running uncoordinated programs, there are a lot of resources under the drain.
Oh, okay.
A lot of waste, and that is what is going to happen because Ubisa is here and Ubisa no who say. All can go and find NEPA memo.
Oh no, you mentioned
you never brought NEP in.
You
I mentioned it.
Look, you mentioned listen. You did not bring him in this instance. You are talking about a while. Or no diaba. Or no. Because
but doesn't matter your diaba.
It's very important.
Say a good policy.
No, it is not about the policy. I am talking about the duplication and the waste of resources. Some ministry not creating.
Okay.
Because yes, converting to NEP near was not under any business. It was not under any ministry at the time.
Okay.
So the mechanism it was under the office of the president. When we take steps there, when we providing resources for the youth. When we advertise every time people apply. Those who qualify, they are given. And other established businesses, stimulus package, to improve and therefore be able to employ more people. And try to say in an attempt to justify the reason why we have that 123 ministers. Now the back of fire, of course.
My please. No, I mean, time on us. Oh, Mama, you started at 8:50.
No, please. No.
Oh, dear, me that say, I know somewhere side of me, me and my cat time natural.
Oh, no, seriously, because I was looking at the time. Only
I was looking at it too. Me check it out, macho.
No, I don't agree with you.
If you all
I don't agree with you.
And you share thought that you be disagree.
No.
Thank you. Come on.
Yes.
Last year, one modema omono. Modemoni ediachiri. Say emphaso ben na abaso. Kwa ben so na afa abwa womo edwuma omo ye na nti ebema yakase this year di so emphaso beba.
Yeah, ye di eni ediachiri papa.
95 na wo kasa yo.
Ye di eni ediachiri.
Sa me ye silent afi baby ase na ase.
Was 1398
quick one on this question. We will not dissipate resources for nothing. We will not, as it were, we will not misappropriate the funds of Mother Ghana, taxpayers' money.
Okay.
Near Sikano, I was a benefiting no, a Ghana ni. Na Ghana for so ene omonia jia omo checks are omonim se ye discover ama me se memfanya business. The I can say ya create a platform ama omo nyina apply. I mean they say obi dey e friend saying link no information no brew. After applying no, they build the data into obi biara obenye ska bia no or no data no. Okay. And of course your location initially I spoke about location. Where you are located is established. What business you are doing is established. The name of the company, whether it's registered or not, is established and it must be registered. What has informed this suggestion or this requirement is that you meet me up workers are monitor. I should say, Sikana Yedia Mano, that I can say emphatically say is happening at the business ministry. And of course, under the agency called NEP. Which is
entrepreneurs ni bia ofan do betimi aka so last year no entrepreneur we and I use we or say na support
I don't work there even by me as even a communicator of party and by extension government, you know. Meaning a couple of them are okay, those in seamstress, those are tailors in normal bia, and I can tell you where some of them are. That's even me who is not official there. How much more your official cry? Just we will make sure say whatever we spend and whatever we do, we do it right. Now the other can say, and Otie Honorable Labia. Okay, he's gone round, say hey, we are trying to justify this elephant-sized government in normal. I threw a challenge to them. Mobile, say better the living standard of the Ghanaian people. Somebody make it sure that the economy will grow in a very positive trajectory, as it were. And then the multi-maye, Obisa say, what benefit have we gotten? Today, look at the size of the economy and look at the activities that has improved in terms of smaller businesses. And as a result, you know, our economy has grown astronomically from 3.6. Your economy, you know, I grew from 3.6 to 7 point something or 8 point something as we speak today. It tells you say activities air koso and a binance air koso air shemokina.
But so say adekra na moye say basa emwa duplication say dwuma ya ministry ne ye no se NEP kra na ya under the ministry why ye for betimi aye no easily ti die nti ne benya we ye kan nyina bom na ye ba kwa say ye one youth employment agency you say department say share youth entrepreneurs and totally youth being engaged meaningfully and ka was and say NEP wo why ye wo yes wo we so
they are very different programs.
Okay.
NYEP and where ye almost a year or year through us and a buyer. What is money then? Engaging young people in the tentative and son of main job after that 1 year SS no ebia what if you need juma na ebia there's a model say say ye fa nkola your friend is saying Zoom Lion and our baby sir they can come and apply for job. That is direct employment in the tentative. That is why we know a business support program.
Yeah, but after why we have
NAPCO is uniquely and why he doesn't have prescribed say you pay graduates and I pay HND. NAPCO uniquely for graduates from the universities and polytechnics and are now technical universities.
But still,
and tertiary institutions. Almost so we are and also Juma. But no, it comes in threefold. Okay. Juma SIA training. Okay. SIA to prepare you for the job market in future. Okay. That is a different matter. All points, you know, two different things. But why ye
and NEIP
is you see international say 80% of the economy of this country no are smaller businesses. And within the smaller businesses, no, you will almost each other. Now one NYEP, National Entrepreneurial Innovative Program. Startup capitals. Omutimi identify na bi omo say bank we anani we omo alesi. Ometuma per startup capital ma we wa the proposal about fefe. I'm going to do food processing. And no entrepreneurship.
eno so ye adwuma asem na
it's a chain
abotre wo hene me musa wasem ni nyina de ye kan nyina ye sei e mabunu ana se ni padodo mu ni adwuma e mabunu teach benya adwuma yi ene ya eye technological era yi
very good
e bibia e computer sem enti se eye one agency a omo computer software ye ntumi mfa nye hu se ye wo category a ehwe omo mawie university ye ma omo temporary adwuma and training them ye be recruitment amo na say ye ho say outsource ye bo omo basically napko no na boss ye no sanity na fe ye wo another platform. It's just a matter of platform, one office, and you can do this. So you click on another button. Media Media University, and I'm in Media University, but I don't want to work for somebody. I want to be my own master. And see, me idea, more business idea, me proposal, fill it in there, apply online. So you have a different category. Now what apply all. Then comes the third one. Eye or more, why ye for no. Oh, most of ye mamu skills. Say ye more. The okay musa. One platform. We can do that. It's just a click of button.
It's not as simple.
Must we have different agencies, CEOs, staff, offices, all doing that? So I will explain.
I'll explain by using UTV as an example.
Okay.
Yakunama sits on the chair as the hostess of the program called Adekye Nsroma.
Okay.
Is that not right?
Yes.
What goes on after her or behind her, where the work is actually done? You understand? Someone outside doesn't even know. Oh, no, but you have video animation. Uniquely, you have somebody who is smart who has to do it. You have sound effects. Uniquely, who does that? Stage manager with lights is there, and that is this is a platform. But we have a chain. Youth of this country, we have them in versatility. Omo school. Omo asebi omo school. Omo entrepreneurs. Omo so asebi. Omo small businesses a ebia. Omo entrepreneur but in the informal sector. Ni nyina wo ho. Obia so animdia owo a obetuma aboa. Na ban say, oh, why ye? And the Minister of Labor as an agency at the honor. Now omo categories mojumani. NAPCOA is under the presidency. Ma wo me budget wo honor. Me the Iaba. We are taking about this number. Then we take your friends and NEP. NEP is uniquely to identify entrepreneurs and see how we can help them, not just government, but also some banks. I believe. These are points I'm making. So I'm saying that it's a common platform.
It's about youth. You're not just clamming them together.
Yes, it's not
but one agency and one department, one institution, because it's all about the youth being employed, either directly or indirectly, or making them entrepreneurs.
I know.
And must we have different offices, different way?
Because of the complex nature of that field.
Complex.
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you. Manimra, what for 8 minutes?
Medicine, no. Car you driving. But mom will say the light. A car no. Na light in Abia mo yan Korea. Na Abia the key no cry no US. No way specialization, if you like, gives you what you call
for example be yakunama
and we are doing that as a government.
Yakunama ye fa no so obeye adwuma wo OK FM. Obaye so obeye radio. But ye hu say yakunama betumi aye ade foforo.
Papa TV so
ya de ye ade foforo nti yanka say yakunama nko no nsan kwa apply mra UTV.
No.
So the same system, different things. Ebetimi can be done.
Well,
it's just a matter of platform.
But just that we're not. But I don't know.
I think that it's a laudable suggestion.
Even the whole together is a platform.
Okay. So Mira, he spoke for 9 minutes. He started at 9:05. It's now 9:40. So you are talking for 9 minutes.
Me acknowledge no man no cry adia. Me did say onwa ko dream we abon say the ye kano enwani. The fact is that Uber house wo behind the scenes omo ye adwuma ni nyina. Do they belong to another company?
No.
Is it not the same thing?
It's still the same.
If you take your organogram, unim say na the person who takes the final decision no top, no aba. You don't need new offices. You don't need to appoint new CEOs. But what they have done,
the animation, the ultra camera, no, we are still under the same.
And then And then you were why under labor and employment.
Okay.
We are all creating employment for the youth. So they make us a war. After what's about creating another business development? So they make us.
But Mama, what's the time when who said duplication? Because even in your era, these duplications were there.
Which of them?
Now you why you and I near another one be.
Which one?
Oh, Mama me reminders and remind me because you had the YA and you had another one.
Which one?
Abuga Pele de.
Oh, I tell you, no, youth employment agent. Maybe. See, let me tell you.
Jida.
Listen.
Why?
But no, apart from why they have yes. Yes, under the presidency.
So you have all been doing that.
Yes, look at potholes party no me go to.
It's okay.
Almost interpret pothole.
Yeah, man, for 9 minutes. I've given it. That's I said 9 minutes.
No, I tell you.
Good. Let's step. Thank you, my reminder. Thank you. Let's step. So,
yes, let's step. It was under local government.
Conduit to spend money.
Let's step was under. It wasn't a new.
Honestly,
creation.
That's how Ghanaians feel.
It wasn't.
So these agencies you create,
no,
it's for all of you. Ways to get money.
Under local government, and it wasn't any creative different ministry. Me sure Sanka who dreaming about left them. I want to create another
but
ministry.
It was an agency.
Yes, under the Ministry of Local Government.
So now why is such a local government?
Why is it?
And she look one can say labor.
Labor.
And employment and labor.
And Americans say all of these institutions are about creating new what do you call it business development ministry, a whole full-blown ministry for business development. Then I can say all of this to maybe to find space under one of the ministries are there.
I saw a problem with the Ministry of Business Development, you know.
Certainly, because
who make you reference to
because the can say, what are we looking for? You have Ministry of Trade and Industry. Woman so say you first say they have too much. Woman no man a handful. Let's create variations. Be emblem. You have Ministry of Labor and Employment. Under them no. Yedi is NYEP. As on Tabani the Okani, they were all appendages. Under
the respectfully, I'll give you your time. Right. If you say it was set me 1 2 1 to me to if you and quickly, Mame try U10. Mame try U10 I'll give you your time. So U10, Pacho your basis ya quick one. Thank you, Pacho. Once a man chokra and see your time. No,
yo, me that's yeah.
4 minutes.
The American say, the kind of duplication I cause it's a waste. And then you know, say ene ye wo ejuma nanka Ministry Labor and Employment, Trade. What friend say?
Ministry Business Development.
Business Development. When we the same thing now, we end up just wasting money. But you see,
I was saying Minister Nobel. She also say our
quick one. No. And son, me continue with me. Okay. Me can be say, and then economy no, you find from 3 point, the GDP from 3.4 to say no, 8. No, today and
7.6 now.
And 6 point. Please.
He said 6 point something, and now it's your own figure.
No, what the minister took. No, the minister
from Parliament.
Mami can't say me, Joe. You see, sometimes, they want to just claim credit for everything. They claim credit for everything without recourse to one. Say sometimes, because of the way now Ghanaians, AIM then tracking on mobile identity. Look, Dabe and president, His Excellency Akufo-Addo, of forming the government. Dabe and ordering the budget first one, Parliament. That was in February 2017, right? Now, the projections, any the GDP growth 2017, right? Any would you compare 2018 and current 2019, right? The tangent or the trajectory. One will begin to ask himself, say, the 7.3, 7.4 now 2017. What exactly did they do? I contributed to that. What did they say? What did they do? Then I'm here. I mean, a move from 3.4. Is it because MPP buy anything? Immediately, businesses started growing and whatever. Then I'm here. What did you do? Such that you are claiming credit for moving, GDP from 3.4 to 7.4. Maybe 2018 moved to 8. Now it is 6.8. Right? Listen to me. I just want to paint a certain picture. No, I'm say, we claim now, say, we the good managers of the economy. We have done this, they have whatever. No, okay? The reality, we real capacity, the real ability, I feel na show.
Wow.
I feel na air show. I feel na air tre. So the make say because mobile 3.4, 3.6. Sorry.
3.6. How long na say economy no yet to and when it is growing, how long does it take to manifest impact of the growth?
How long? It did not say. But certainly it will not be 2 months.
But it
will not be 2 months.
2 months.
No, what I'm saying, I'm telling you about it. No, he just made mention of the fact that when we were far, GDP from 3.4 to 7.4, 8, and then now 6 point something. And I make catch and say the budget that was read in 2017, I mentioned 7.4, was not their making. It was not, effort. It was in their effort.
Okay.
What did you do at the time to bring? No, I mean, tell me. Let's be very honest with ourselves. It was clear. It was clear.
4 minutes.
Say, oh, please. It was 8 minutes. It was very clear. I mean, getting to the end of 2016, the World Bank, all the the various financial institutions and whatever we monitor everything. I mean, economy in Africa and Ghana for that matter. I mean, predicted because of the investment in this year, 2015, 2016, in spite of all the difficulties that we went through, gave a prediction, said the economy was going to bounce back in 2017. And exactly that was what happened.
Okay.
So the beginner say.
So
I mean, they never brought anything new. Nothing. Wait. Me see them because one through the it is gone down.
Thank you.
So the beginner say one level no say it is going down. Anything one oh no please, yeah. No. No. No please.
9:24. You started at 9:14.
I mean,
don't worry. I know today I'm just on the accusation.
No,
so
it is
I'm
not.
ready to take them. Now, Kaya, in 6 minutes, so we'll make progress. The progress we'll make is that we have to talk about Nutag and Guta. Nutag for saying and saying the Omunya some journey our top. Omura Hopa. Now, Nutag, national, the Nigerian Union of Traders Association Ghana. Nigerian Union of Traders Association Ghana. Na say you anom Nigeria for mu ye adwuma wo Ghana. Say na say crude frede na gutafo aba ya toto mu store mu na ya kenkan GIPC Act achom. Omu ni ahoto kete nti aban enhwe no mra fi say ama adwadie ayonkofa ene nkitanwodi a eda sa aman emienu ntem no aye witiri kakra. Nti en ye nyina ye wa ha ye nim ha wa sa aniama no akọ. Honorable, Mama Foundation say ye beden na yama nutag any guta obi edi ni dwa asomdwe mu. Is it a fine opportunity because the GIPC Act in nya adwuma na?
Yeah, the nyina borders on the creation of jobs, the economy, as I was saying. And it, what I want to emphasize is say I feel the true NPP and what they are capable of doing. And it, claiming credits from what you have not done. I mean, trying to harvest what you have not sown. No, they must stop that thing. They must give credit to where credit is due. This, the previous government left, this economy in a shape, and then it bear fruits. Unfortunately, Nukra won't be managed very well. I must say, the GDP growth is going down. Yeah, the issue about Nutag, Guta.
Yeah.
Media. Can say this government must face the thing frontally. I'm happy that the former president, intervened in some of one of these issues recently. Yes, recently. Oh no, I mean he has.
Oh, I see.
The
capacity as
well as a citizen of this country and a former president for that matter.
Okay.
And somebody who is respected in Africa.
So engaging one.
Yes. Nigeria, Okosia, the president of Nigeria.
Oh, I see.
Okosia, the empress mentioned say, too many times, Nigeria, because of their numbers, there's no doubt. Say when it comes to market, market is bigger than the whole of West Africa. They have the numbers. They are big brothers. Womuso and womu champion the cause of ECOWAS. But the men say they have decided say omunfa emra ye nyina ya agree no emfa nye adwuma. Ye kasa say no Nigeria banning a lot of products on man who say money come on. Me no kasa don't know say one border no bia na. Mo bia border there. So they say unilateral decision without recourse to the rest of West Africa.
Okay.
So they are here. And say ene gutafo so sorry. Some person who protected the little we have here. Nobody should blame them.
Nobody. Say how munti aban she no.
Ena make say me nanu me tie Dr. Gutafo president.
Dr. Joseph Obeng.
Yeah. Okay, bibi. Eno na ya be me. Because I can say, so I'm block here. Yes, you block because of share the cost and benefit now. Nigeria for doing business with us, we benefit more. 10 years, if you want.
Okay.
And it then we must also close our our borders. Make sure say implementing mla ya chewa hanu. But indeed, no, indeed, the point that also if Nigeria doesn't care, of course say and then. Now, nomini Bakukuchia or program B. He was in the office of the president of Nigeria. Okay. And I mean, discussing about the Omodi and Adino. And he was very proud of what they are doing because of the local consumption of rice near Adina up because Omufu say cars bahormono Omodi rice if West African borders through West African borders they buy they don't have any remorse for doing what they have done, and it empower them. They are protecting their citizens, businesses near the
My interest in my assurance is a Ghana account in ka create temporary routes bio. Oh, I check
and the American is there, and then Yensuno GIPC. The GIPC for the Mrane Wohonomono. Until say you be parliament amend Mrana GIPC actual akuchirama the parliament agiatuma baba ye mra e wo ye Ghana hanu no de wo mu ka no e no kre because one
Mr. Wadwen your sense amra no ye amend and ye nchai
we say ye wo say ye wo ya sani EPA ni whatever ni ade nyina we need to localize them na ye Ghana ye nkwa and they belong to that group, So the make say if our big brother our no champion and then ECOWAS headquarters Abuja newo. BBI Nigeria.
BBI IPC Act no section 27
That's right.
Echene 2018 say memo ho nye boja be transporter just wunya more than 25 feet of cars menye hairdressing and this hanyamanyama o sha yen amend this.
No, I don't believe say amend it.
Yenjani said
because they have a reason. Because you see Osha the ekosu say ya no Osha uko magazine the ekosu yi and then cry to Chinese for Matisse been cry chikelewele ewo makola ni ade. Well, there's something I say you watch it very carefully, especially dealing with the Chinese and they quickly. On say obia ni obi din kuta ho a e din kuta ho because of technology transfer.
Yeah.
Na say o di ade ne beba na at the end of the day na one kasa wa ba na wa ba beye o drop wa do plantain wa ba be ti wa hanom and then e be sua wo. So they say anything those laws were not made in a vacuum. They did it because of our circumstances. And if our big brother is not respecting it there, then yes.
To the old for Guta for so far. Come on, Okasa for 7 minutes so far. Yeah. So 31, 38 years.
And sana meba new tax and good tax no. Ghana for mo hweye enim ne kra e da hono. Ba economic management there. The Krenya mini. The Adekye 2009. Enye na modeja Ghana for time mo free ha obi anim. Ena the modeja yen anye pay kra no 3 years ni. At least yen nyina honom ya reduce it from there. Ya increase ko be we are coming down. It doesn't matter. So for me, the credit the honom
your true wakaza level no.
Oh man making a point here.
Nah, you see, we've always told you you repair and the NDC will come and destroy. That is why they are National Destroyers Congress. Now, good tag.
Is that where we have?
Good tag, new tag.
Sorry.
Maybe I don't.
Come on, what did you say? Sorry.
Maybe I don't.
Oh,
what kind of them?
We no money for fair, no one will be destroyed. That is why we refer to them as National Destroyers Congress.
Oh, you did say that.
Oh, I just say that. Oh no,
you
we
think
refer to
it's
them.
the best.
We do that sometimes. We do that. Wait, no, that's not your way. I am reading.
Oh no, that's not the name of the party.
Oh no.
That's not the name of the party. That's not the name of the party.
No.
National Democratic Congress.
No, what I'm saying.
Okay, sorry.
Big for such.
Let me continue.
No. I'm disappointed in you. I am disappointed.
You don't go that.
No, seriously. I'm so disappointed.
What have I said?
Oh no. Why do you say this?
They're only making a point.
I'm disappointed.
Oh,
true.
Wait, in your way.
No.
Guta.
This is not you.
Oh
no. I don't
want to
apologize for what you have just said.
Would you allow me to make my
just apologize.
let me make my submission.
Then you move forward.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah. Guta any new chat same. Send ye no. As West Africans, the sub-region no. They say kunya severally. I can say enka movement of goods, services and human beings no. Kenya free flow. MIA. Of course, it doesn't take away the fact that you were sovereign rights and so on. And in Nigeria, actually, now almost say based on their sovereign right, they can close their borders at any time. Now, I affect it. Now, Ubisa say in his capacity as what? And Oman that John Dramani Mahama Koi, Nigeria, or so in his capacity as citizen of this country. Now, Kushia say in mere borders. And son of Beko Hokrano. Oman penyin Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo etu ho na mo. Oman foreign minister, Oman trade minister, Oman government machinery e move ko hono. To the extent say even at the border say me border kura no os pesika amese ko he Ghanaian drivers omo hono ma at least in Suwa Sem ne other things no it could help them.
Yeah, be border na.
I don't know person Jimmy Juma yi.
Oh, se me kan say, oh. You okay nyina no.
You man for enim say. At least yemba make statement say there is only one president in this country. Okay, time I will make his statement. Obia to kwan oba airport.
Foreign Minister Mokoba, what has been the result?
And we will not make such statement.
What has been the result?
Who say
results and anything?
The gumma forcing man na pa na.
Mintia say we dey can.
Who did he attempt? I say who say o hena on your hen.
Okay.
What I say?
Me say what has been the result?
Buhari all say ko bie borders. Now after Oman Penyin abodwuma ya 200 more ya bibia ya se ne be ya that sub-regional understand na no ebe ejuma na almost chinchina omompenia. Of course, we will also have to come and look at how we're going to handle our economy. But the lesson it gives us, and then I can say local rice under planting for food and jobs. What are we doing? Are we consuming it? The taste of Ghanaians, are we changing it to learn a lesson? Say, Nigeria hakra ye try say, Oma closely border no over $300 million of rice has been bought, and they have benefited. And I'm going to the president say, ah, sir, the more SND border closure no. And I SND go to January. So he names a general. So it means that we need to learn lessons from it as a nation, and also know that at least internally, let's save and protect our people.
You support Guta?
However, say, oh, you see, a tree. That's my first time of hearing it.
Yeah,
is it Kudum Freddy or whatever? You use something. I mean, you said Guta Kudum Freddy. Now you are Kotumbu. How you get it?
And just say, see, you're more fast. No,
this is my first time. Kudum Freddy. It's a very strong emoji, but it's my first time. Guta. To take the law into their hands. Say we are but I heard Guta come out to say they didn't take the law into their own hands. They appeal to GIPC and to government for that matter.
And but influence for what they do is about say acting in no that's what they told me on air.
No,
say acting in your catch us into Oga. What you do now? Say I'll close. So in
fact, if they take the law into their hands to do that, with a great respect, who say at least they shouldn't do things and also a long way to jeopardize this. Yeah, fresh in our minds. And see some time ago, it's a threat in Nigeria. Is these xenophobic reactions? Those things have happened. So I'm saying that we not to jeopardize a diplomatic relationship, no. Yeah, interested in a base sanitize a BBA. The Nigerian force are more.
I wouldn't say a bind so are you relaxed to do. If we say, oh, can say, oh, Makwa Yasuma Wasma, a minister of foreign affairs, my business or Moko resource, or I won't country. But Omoko or mobile, you know, may I meet me of our fucking slaying crash say, oh, yes, it's 2 weeks time, baby. It's been more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Well, Omumie, I bind so dear, no, yes, I know my good phone so. Chef Omukoye BBS, oh, Yentana Sessa, yet what one a chichikro. I say, I buy until one case, no, and I comment to be a more passive way. We need the Nigerians more than they need us. More sure say, I buy at
it's a great. We come it's too early in the morning, but my men sound fat a little proverb what the Gumbo men and can't show say, Anapa.
What can we know actually?
Metro. You say, Mamma can trees directly now. Or say, Sebi, Obitabonwa. That's a wow, and when you was also a tambon, one here, no 1 year ago. Into
Chino, because Obifun Kuma, Obifun,
very good.
And I yan cranny moon to 2 cranny.
Very good. I'll come for the lectures later. You see, William, don't mind no more. We are careful. Yeah, Sebi here in Nigeria, and this is for Rebecca say, do you fear them? They will throw diplomatic to the dogs. We don't do that. We will make sure we follow the best tenets and understand. Say, at the end of the day, no, your relationship will not be jeopardized, and the right thing will be done. The young, sorry, waka, gidi, Omampenya take a process. You go so ayoko. Next steps now, we'll see how it goes and all that.
But I'm here. Me dibua my process, no processing a dream.
Yeah. Process they say and new tech neka say oh and good neka say
and I'm happy because so good phone so a2 manamo and it is a good phone in buying processor o2
it means that you see the understanding of what the status quo should be is what we want to establish. New tech is beginning to understand. Why can't somebody say a buyer say acting in you or say okay or me tum. They are beginning to understand say your womra processes are ever Ghana. We cannot take for granted the good tech for no and our Ghanaian traders no. And see, Gabon gradually is building that up, and having built this up, no, they are taking parameters, no, you are drawing the parameters right.
They will be able to get it. Year 2 delegation. omako omaba omo say yenhye omo say omo ba bie border no temporary one ama Ghana for
no so make yeah I know
na wa be say abeka say aban go process ne so enti my simple question is process no edru hefa enti say good ani bi ti a otu ko oh sana ana aban
say baby a edru ne say him say enkita ho no e cost so dear but at the end of the day Nigeria has not done their part of say omo a share boss say omba bebie no. So of course when that happens aban betinase and aban atinase biom and I'm sure they will come out.
When that has happened
aban betinase biom ahwe say okay once they've refused it what are we doing? Of course, I know the Trade and Industry Ministry is on top of this job. I think Carlos and Co are really doing a good job. And of course, they have gotten somewhere, which I cannot just sit here to say, hey, this is where they are. But after the refusal of the opening, what is the next step? Will be a question. I'm sure the Trade and Industry and Foreign
Affairs Ministry. On that note,
but just something small.
Something small. I hope say for discussion.
No, data be amideba.
More economy. Don't waste your time.
2017, time na Nana Akufo-Addo on form the government, Now the GDP, was 8.1. Offer the government oh please offer the government
no and
almost
2016
almost it's 2017
2016
I am talking about 2017 and the budget was ready in February
2017
oh me a member of parliament
I know it's not true
2017 8.1
no it's not true
2018 one form of government
I'm telling it's not true
one competent people no by about 6.3.
Where did you get your figures
from? From budget statement. 6.3. Just to inform you.
Say GDP and you. Say GDP at Tiba for
and that is why I buy where the over 12 billion. Over 12 billion.
It's here that was Papa, Mamma, Namas, yes, I am banning and quiet Benji. So 942. Opening our can data GDP. Na make us say the mo hwehwa me ne mo nyina ye me ka ho de me mo nyina ni say de
government no 8.1 and no form we
honorable Ebenezer Oklite Taylor bi or MP lower menya krobo what kind ne de nka say budget discussion wo ma wie no ma bɔ no po enti say ade aya ne say Omajiatum. Yeah. And Ora Kamaldeen Abdullah, your Deputy National Communications Director, Emma MPP Amanyu Kwano pay ranum, Yadamansi Papa. Memenum Daddy Abuamu. Menya she meniso she pamenya yi.
Oh, sorry.
Menya yi. Na ne mashe blue no ntina man kan ho asem no. Mase be
they no kan no today.
Menum Daddy Abuamu.
What do you mean? And they
Masi Bema film na nema ye blue ntina wanka no.
What's Bema say ukunu anase
my late husband. My husband is late.
Oh, okay.
Papa but still that's so you must say.
Oh, of course, yes.
All the child so say koju.
Ewa
Accra ha.
Okay.
Ofimu Lekma Hospital. But oye journey ofi ejura himfie.
Okay.
Enti enemenum da de ebuomu but echi me ba bebo mama.
Ese usukura ya
say me fa kwan ne so say Friday na me fa kwan ne so pa. There be pacho nya say sun we bi. Je.
Enti no ubeti atwamu aba.
Me sun we hinu nya mae.
We dey wa sheda pa so pese. What that pa?
Osi ma sheda. Osi mi nya oba de sa so mi ma.
Dem ka hu o ka no ma bi nti no.
Na mi di so. Sa na mi fie for the come. Onu no en sheda me ka nya ma bi usu no.
Enu anu no.
E da mo ase pa no pay. Enti pamcho mo amuni onu abomu koja no na eja. Ne ba na o ware ne ntai na chi wa hye na ni monyam beautiful. Why ade pa. Na e friend is saying Metia now to invite me. You see now. How can I go for a program I don't know the Who did say we now we did the air. Obana boy is a dog swana.
Oh Debbie, oh what?
I can't say again I boy and Padiki, congratulations. Daddy brought you. Me I was sitting my somewhere. Congratulations, Yami Mawari pa. Enti yada era no ase Obano ankwa oju. So yeah, your partners near sponsors. And I say thank you, Creative Line. Me beautiful kaftan. I love it. FPA. But also called Creative Line. No you do bisa. Say a basse over call aqua honorable and the padikina warena FFFA. She BY. come out say was say creative line me de mo number be ma no e was say oba mo ho o taisha kaftan na oba be she be 0244695057 and 0264414945 na emom no honorable meye pedicure doye mema na koye pedicure ne manicure e was studio fix entim de ne be ko studio fix se ma bi kura mato enti studio fix for pamcho me de miss sister yi ba musiesie no mame no fa nko na ifro no na studio fix eye mo rekama obe wax or eyebrow obe show eyelash bibia fefefe ne sanu adwuma e fankasa oye o nails na you see now beautiful, it looks so natural. Our Jolo E Plaza 2 Abronsan na Best Pension Trust ewomuna na kona koye wonsa kama maka best CD kai say best point eguso a all my businesses bosia for bronya yi ebia na capital no hia nsoso na etimi am wafa niam dodo because bronya no krofo betwa de pa bomodin ase obeko best point na waka say me pesa edwedi for bosia ni bi na me de adane so bronya ya pe obeya ma ensi hunu so kuma bi kama pa enti ya ko best point why ya kuna mani o na me ya domo a ochina me papa beba loyalty ke beba be so mo Friday na masan enemo ehia menu abema Samuel Akoto danso yetai fe o se mayor jai mischief no na Kristo mpesa mehia o ewo asante achemofo ase kwan ni so bye bye